The Promethean Spinner app is perfect for quickly and easily randomizing elements of your class all in one place. To access, select the unified menu, then tap Locker, and then select the Spinner app. The Spinner app opens. There are 3 viewing modes: full screen, floating, and condensed. Tap the Expand Collapse arrows to toggle between full screen and floating. To toggle between floating and condensed, simply tap on any segment of the spinner. Tap and hold the outer edge, then drag to move the floating or condensed spinner anywhere on your screen. To access 6 default lists or to create new lists, select the list title directly below the spinner in either full screen or floating mode. Tap Create New at the top to generate a new list. Give your list a title and input items. Tap Add Item to input additional items. The maximum number of items in a list is 44. Be sure to save your list. There is no limit to the number of lists that can exist in the Spinner app. To edit any existing list, simply tap the pencil icon to the right of the list title. Select an item to make changes. Customize the color of an item by selecting the small colored circle and choosing from the color palette. Delete items by tapping the recycle bin. Drag the equal sign up or down to rearrange items within the list. Or tap the recycle bin at the top of the window to delete a list entirely. Tap the gear icon to access options, including Select Item Once and Sound. Finally, to use the spinner, just drag any segment of the spinner in a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Tap the plus sign to add an additional spinner. Spinners can be used one at a time. You can use a total of up to 4 spinners in full screen, floating, or condensed modes. Tap the X to close a spinner.